Hello and welcome back to the Carl Lewis Academy YouTube channel. We are just going to take off from where we left off in the previous video. In the previous video, we enable visualization in the BIOS and we install Hyper-V on our computer. If you haven't seen that video yet, I will advise that you pause this video, go back to the previous episode and go through how you can install and turn on Hyper-V on your Windows computer. And then from there, you can come to this episode and continue from this episode. In this episode, what I want to do is to come to my web browser. So it could be any web browser of your choice. I will just come here and say, download Windows Server 2019. So again, you can use your favorite search engine, or you can just type within the address bar and it will search. I will draw your attention to this first website that has Eva Center, which is the short for Evaluation Center. So that's the Microsoft Evaluation Center. We want to download from the Microsoft Evaluation Center because that's Microsoft, right? And Windows Server is from Microsoft. What I would do is right-click on Windows Server 2019 and just say open link in a new tab. So open in a new tab. After opening Windows Server 2019 in a new tab, what I would do is to switch to that tab by clicking on the tab at the top, and then now I'm at this place. It tells me here, please select your Windows Server 2019 download. Depending on your language, you will choose to download the ISO in your language. My language is English, and for English, there are 3 options. The first option is to just download the ISO. The second option is to download the virtual hard disk. And the third one is to download Windows Server 2019 for Azure. What we want here is the ISO download. So I will click on 64-bit edition. And once I click on it, it will start to download. So I'm just going to click on pause. And the reason why I'm clicking on pause is because I've already downloaded the ISO for Windows Server 2019. So I'm just going to just click on X to cancel this download, but make sure to download the ISO image. And then once you download the ISO image, you are good to go. In the next video, I will walk you through the process of how we can start to install Windows Server 2019. So without further ado, thank you for watching this episode. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. If you are watching it on LinkedIn, make sure to follow me on LinkedIn. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, whether on LinkedIn or whether on YouTube. You just leave your questions in the comment section down below, and I will make sure to get back to those questions and provide answers or point you in the right direction to resources that will answer your questions. But take care, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye.